guys, your boy Cookster's back. It's been a minute since I posted anything for you guys. So, you know, I took the four-wheeler out of the garage. I didn't trailer it. I'm just riding, just right from the garage and going for a ride. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna try to make a little video for you guys. So, yeah, came from there, up on top, have a look. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna go for a rip, try to put something together for you guys. So stay tuned. Let's do this. Well guys, this is a long road. I'm gonna put you on time lapse. I'm gonna head to Simcoe County Forest by this way. So far so good. Let's get to it. Just pulled over, just take a break, have a coffee. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys what I did here. I'm gonna try it out right now. I strapped the GoPro to the back here, and I'm gonna go over these whoops and give you some suspension travel action. Then I'm gonna strap it to the front so you guys can see how much movement's happening on the suspension on these XMR 700s. But yeah guys, appreciate all the support, the sharing, the likes, the subscribing. I don't know how to thank you guys, but thank you very much, man. The channel's been growing. Appreciate all the support you guys been giving me. Yeah, I try my best with the content, you know, but you got to get out there to to make content, and you know, I've been busy and all that. So, but today I said no, I got to go out, even though it's solo by myself today. But this trail here, it's boring. It's like just straight with, has a lot of whoops in here, like, you know what I mean, some turns. But I'm gonna try my best to give you the best I can for what I got. But yeah boys, let's get to it. Sorry about that, boys. Well, that's how I'm planning to end the video. Hit the GoPro. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate the support. Your boy Cookser's out.